The fundamental of sales in 11 episodes. Episode 8, 11 steps to listen more than you talk in sales. In sales, it's easy to fall into the trap of talking too much and not listening enough. However, listening is a crucial skill for any successful salesperson. It allows you to understand your customer's needs and tailor your pitch to their specific situation. Here are 11 steps to help you listen more than you talk in sales. 1. Prepare for the conversation. Before any sales conversation, make sure you have done your research on the customer and their business. This will help you ask informed questions and show that you are genuinely interested in their needs. 2. Start with open-ended questions. Open-ended questions encourage the customer to talk and share their thoughts and feelings. Avoid yes or no questions and instead ask questions that begin with what, how, or why. 3. Listen actively. Active listening means fully focusing on the customer and their words. Avoid interrupting or thinking about your response while the customer is speaking. Instead, make eye contact, nod, and ask follow-up questions to show that you are engaged in the conversation. 4. Use reflective listening. Reflective listening is a technique where you repeat back what the customer has said in your own words. This shows that you understand their perspective and can help clarify any misunderstandings. 5. Avoid jumping to conclusions. Don't assume you know what the customer needs before they have had a chance to explain it to you. Ask questions to clarify their needs and avoid making assumptions. 6. Take notes. Taking notes during the conversation shows that you are actively listening and helps you remember important details. It also allows you to refer back to the conversation later and follow up on any points discussed. 7. Use silence to your advantage. Silence can be uncomfortable, but it can also be a powerful tool in sales. After asking a question, give the customer time to think and respond. They may reveal more information or insights than if you immediately jump in with your own thoughts. 8. Avoid interrupting. Interrupting the customer can be seen as rude and disrespectful. Let them finish their thoughts before responding. 9. Show empathy. Empathy means putting yourself in the customer's shoes and understanding their perspective. Show empathy by acknowledging their challenges and offering solutions that address their specific needs. 10. Summarize the conversation. At the end of the conversation, summarize the key points discussed to ensure that you have understood the customer's needs correctly. This also allows the customer to clarify any misunderstandings and ensures that you are both on the same page. 11. Follow up. After the conversation, follow up with the customer to show that you value their business and are committed to helping them find the right solution. This can be in the form of an email, phone call, or in-person meeting. In conclusion, listening is a crucial skill for any successful salesperson. By following these 11 steps, you can improve your listening skills and build stronger relationships with your customers. Remember to prepare for the conversation, ask open-ended questions, listen actively, use reflective listening, avoid jumping to conclusions, take notes, use silence to your advantage, avoid interrupting, show empathy, summarize the conversation, and follow up. To be continued. Go to the channel playlists. Episode 9, 11 Steps to Follow Up in Sales.